Body fluids and circulation. Human circulatory system, the basics. Living organisms are capable of transporting nutrients, wastes, and gases to and from the cells. This is facilitated by the circulatory system. The human circulatory system includes blood, heart, and blood vessels. Blood is a fluid connective tissue composed of formed elements and plasma. Formed elements include cells, namely red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leucocytes, and platelets. This constitutes about 45% of the volume of blood. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood without formed elements. It constitutes about 55% of the volume of blood. The diagrammatic representation of formed elements is shown here. Human blood groups. Human blood groups were first discovered by Karl Landsteiner of Vienna in 1900. ABO and RH blood group systems are widely used all over the world. ABO blood grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens on the RBCs and two natural antibodies in the plasma. The four blood groups in man, namely A, B, AB, and O, and their respective antigen and antibody, is represented in a tabular format. Process of blood clotting in humans. When there is an injury, blood oozes out, but within a few minutes, bleeding stops due to blood clotting. The process of blood clotting involves four substances, namely prothrombin, thrombokinase, calcium ions, and fibrinogen. The sequence of events represented here results in the formation of insoluble fibrin threads. The fibrin threads entangle the blood cells and form the clot, thereby preventing bleeding. Human heart. Heart is the center of the cardiovascular system. It is a hollow, pear-shaped, muscular, blood-pumping organ which weighs about 340 grams in a fully grown adult. Human heart is situated obliquely, a little towards the left, between the lungs. It appears like a blunt cone and is about the size of your closed fist. In humans, heart is four-chambered. The two upper chambers are called auricles, while the two lower chambers are called ventricles. Observe other parts of the human heart in the diagram shown here. Human heart, a double pump. The human heart works like a double pump. The right half receives and pumps deoxygenated blood, and the left half receives and pumps oxygenated blood. This type of circulation is called double circulation, which involves a shorter pulmonary circulation and a longer systemic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, the right ventricle pumps the blood through the pulmonary artery into the lungs. After oxygenation, the blood is brought into the left atrium by the pulmonary veins. In systemic circulation, the left ventricle pumps the blood through the aorta for distribution to different parts of the body. The deoxygenated blood is later brought back into the right atrium through the inferior and superior vena cava. Compare the two circulation pathways in the visual representation.